Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Hill's Science Diet Dry Dog Food, Adult, Sensitive Stomach Skin, Chicken Recipe. Recently something changed in the food, and our dog was experiencing lots of itching and inconsistent bowel movements. So far this has been the cheapest place to buy 30-pound bags every 2 weeks. The grain-free is so much easier on his stomach, and he never has a loose stool like he does with the other brands. The new packaging is great too. Gotta love the Velcro closure that makes it airtight. He is 11, so getting up there in age, and needing a lower protein food. Overall this is a def step up over the other stuff out there if your dog has a leaky gut. The price was comparable to our local stores, and she has had no issues with being able to digest it. After switching to Science Diet Senior Dog Food, our dog has not experienced any stomach-related issues. She tells me that she feels so much better, and her bowels are so healthy. Her doctor was right. This is the best food for her now that she's a senior dog. This food has been it. Not only is her stool solid, but her coat is looking great. Remember to switch from old food to new gradually over time so as not to upset their stomach. He had dander with a large breed Science Diet, but much less with this food. Their energy has never been better, they keep weight on, and most importantly they love it. Old GSD and 1-year Great Pyrenees both love the food, and actually look forward to feeding time. He ate promptly. His stomach had been bothersome for a few months as Hess gotten older, but so far so good with this Science Diet choice. Problem solved. Took about 45 days before she was completely better, but improvement was noticeable on day 1. Either way works, but it would be nice if they had a small dog version. This food was recommended by our vet BC. He has very dry and itchy skin. This is very important while chasing squirrels out of her trees, and warning of strangers approaching our home, or the homes of our next-door neighbors. After changing to this food he is doing great. He also eats his food right away. Before with the other brands, he wouldn't eat it sometimes. He seems to like it, and the smaller pups love to steal them a bite from his bowl. Her skin can get really bad if she is not eating the proper food, or when the temperature is changing. She stays fuller longer, poops less, and her dry coat and itching problems have gone away. She does tolerate very much, enjoys a mix of homemade sweet potatoes, rice, and chicken. When she eats other dog food for a few days like at the kennel, or when visiting family, the skin irritation always comes back. Vets and animal specialists say to read the label and find out what's in your pet's food. Slowly switch them over to the perfect weight formula, and over the last 6 months their weight has returned to normal. Has stayed the same weight, and has been eating this food for almost 5 months. Science Diet can be a bit expensive, but our dog has all kinds of stomach issues, and this is the one food that has worked for him. It is nearly impossible to carry a baby car seat, and a 40-pound bag of dog food, even WTH a cart. These little sissy dogs can't eat hardly anything without having some kind of issue, but they've never had an issue with this dog food. Within a week and a half of being on this food, all his symptoms basically cleared up. Dog loves it, and has had very few stomach issues since has been eating it. His skin issues have quieted down a lot, and his stomach issues have almost completely gone away. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.